Don't follow me on Instagram. Don't follow Alexis on Instagram. Bad influence. So I was on a self-imposed moratorium for purchasing leather, and you're probably laughing right now because I guess I had like a 1% chance of that being successful, but I really did. I was gonna genuinely try, and there was a bag that I really had my eye on, and I swear that Saddleback and Love 41, when there's something like I really want, it goes discontinued. And then you kind of get in this quandary of like, well, shoot, like I have to get like a now or never situation, right? But I don't buy used because I'm allergic to everything under the sun, and so I can't verify, like, did you use a perfume that like I'm allergic to? Do you have a cat? Do you have a dog? Whatever. So anyways, the last couple ones that I wanted, I've sort of made peace with it now. I didn't get. There was like the Saddleback book bag, the Shopper's Tote at Love 41. There's like whatever. There's like a handful of things and a couple other designers and stuff. And then this one went discontinued, and I was like, you know what? That's totally fine. Like, I don't need that bag, and I'm totally not going to buy it. And then Alexis, who I was talking about, I swear, like, people know which bag I'm, like, trying not to buy. Out of nowhere, and this bag's been around for, like, years and years and years. I think, like, 4 or 5 years. Started just posting out of nowhere all these photos of it on Instagram. And then I was like, you know what, I'm still not going to buy it. I'm just going to wait for the website to run out. Please run out. And so then the temptation's gone. And so then finally I was like, oh my gosh, I can't take it. I'm going to buy it. And then I go to the website and it really was gone. And then I was crushed. And then I went to Amazon. And I never buy this color either. I think I only own this color in like one thing because there was a limited edition, something that came only in this color. So I bought that. But then for some reason I really wanted this in the chestnut, and that was, I literally bought the last one off Amazon and then it cleared out the inventory. So I feel like the leather gods were like, you know what, we're pressing pause on that moratorium. This is the world's longest unboxing, but I had a lot of coffee today, so I'm like, oh well, we can fast forward. Anyway, so I bought this because I just was like, you know, I felt like I should buy their new backpack that's this sort of similar to this, except that it has a lid on it, a flap rather. But then I'm like, I don't really like the look of it as much as I like the look of this one. And so who cares about should, right? Should, would, could, like buy the one that you want. So anyway, so I got this, I feel like it's a Saddleback staple piece, even though it's now discontinued. But it's their bucket backpack, and I wanted it because I'm like, I've never seen anything like it. So anyways, let's take a peek. I feel like I literally bought the last one that was for sale. Hold on. I don't know if any of you are like this, but like I hate tearing the bag for some reason. I don't know if there's any like logic to it, but I prefer not to if I don't have to. Anyways, I'll do this. I think it's because I try to recycle the bags, but anyways. Sorry for all the chitter chatter. I've had so much coffee today. I love it. Obviously the gods were correct. So it's chestnut, and I don't know, I'm just not normally a chestnut person, but it is so beautiful, and I hope that you can appreciate it. It's like this, you know, because there was only 2 colors left. There was like brown and chestnut. Oh my gosh. I'm in awe. So it's actually, chestnut's not normally velvety, but this one kind of is. You know, it's not so velvety like that the nap changes direction, but it's really soft. So, I don't know if you can see it. I'm so happy with this. I feel like this was worth breaking the moratorium over. Scars and such here, which I totally don't mind, but I am glad they're on the back. Some people love scars. I'm 50-50. Sometimes I love it. Depends how it looks. The front, I'm super thrilled with it. This you can see, like, the bag's probably been in the Amazon warehouse for a while, I'm guessing, because this is like a little bit darker than the natural. But oh my god, man, I'm excited. So anyways, here it is. I think there's like literally one left in the entire planet on Amazon right now in brown. So if you want it, get it. Otherwise, there's going to be tons used on the market for you. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching. I love it. I love it. I know I just did the unboxing, but I just had to show you because I'm like so ridiculously excited about this bucket bag. And I know it's kind of silly because you kind of can't buy it new, but I just had to show it to you. So I took it off and unplasticed all the straps, took out all the stuffing, whatever. It was amazing. And first of all, the leather is like, I'm going to go ahead and just say it's my most favorite leather that I've ever seen off Saddleback so far. And I don't order a chestnut. I think I don't own a single thing in chestnut from Saddleback. Anyways, it was just the right call. I was on the fence about it. It was so amazing. And so I wanted to show you two things. One is that it comes with these straps that I put on that makes it so comfortable. Granted, it's empty, but it's still very comfortable. And then I'm short, right? So I'm 5'2", and I wear my backpacks like up high. I know nobody does that, and it's sort of like, whatever. I don't care. I wear it up high because I don't like when you walk and it like bounces on your lower back. And so I put it on the shortest setting, and that's always my fear, right? That it's too long. But for me, it's like way up high, and I just like, it's amazing. Like, I love it. So the straps actually work out so wonderful for somebody that's short on the shortest setting. And then the other thing that I wanted to show you, so this, which you guys probably knew about, like a grab handle, courtesy of Suzette, right? That's her kind of trademark thing. And then the only other thing I can say, and I don't know if you're going to get it, it's like, it's literally the most perfect leather I've ever seen out of Saddleback. Like, it's so soft. And I don't mind, I get that the leather is going to get scratched, but when I get it new, I prefer there's no scratches. Like, I want to be the one to do it. And this is that leather. Like, it's pristine. I mean, don't expect this if you order out of Saddleback or Love 41, because real leather comes scratched and worn and all that stuff. But I don't know. The gods just rewarded me for my self-imposed very short moratorium by this. The leather on here is like, it's insane. Like, it's so nice. There's like, you can see I put like a tiny scratch in here putting it on, but oh my gosh. I just, if you're out there and you're on the fence, seriously, stop the video and go get the last one off Amazon. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching.